Hello friends, today we learn the real-time operating system in embedded software. What is operating system? The kernel. What is RTOS? Type of RTOS. Need of RTOS in embedded software. And difference between RTOS and GPOS. So let's start with what is operating system. Operating system acts as bridge between user application tasks and underlying system resources through a set of system functionalities and services. It is nothing but a middleware which will act as a middleware between user and the system. Operating system manages resources and available to the system, makes them the user application on a need basis. The primary function of operating system is make the system convenient to use, organize and manage the system resources efficiently and correctly. This is nothing but the operating system. Now, what is meant by the kernel? The kernel is the core of operating system. It is the heart of operating system. It is the main part of operating system. It is responsible for managing the system resources and the communication among the hardware and other system services. Kernel act as the abstraction layer between system resources and other applications. Kernel contains a set of system libraries and the number of services. For a general purpose operating system, the kernel contains different services like process management, primary memory management, file system management, IO service or device management, secondary storage management, protection, time management, interrupt handling. These are the services given by the kernel for a general purpose operating system. Now, what is the real-time operating system? The real-time operating system is the term of many programmer or computer is uses. It is based on a real time. It is different from general purpose operating system. It works with real time constraint as power, time and efficient uses of memory. Most of the embedded systems are bound to real time constraint and it is achieved using real time system. Types of real time operating system. First is soft real time system. The soft real time operating system is a type of operating system where certain deadlines may be missed. They will respond at a time t is equal to 0. Soft real time systems are not constant to extreme rule. The critical time of the soft real time may be delayed to some extent. The extended latency between the text and time constant may be divided. The preemption period of a soft real time task is about few milliseconds. The example of soft real time system is digital cameras, mobile phones, online database, etc. Now, the second is hard real time system. The hard real time operating system is a type of operating system. We can predict the deadline. They will respond at a time of t is equal to 0. Means what? The response of hard real time operating system is more quicker than the soft real time operating system. The hard real time system are constant to predict time constraint, deadlines and latency. The example of hard real time system is airbag control in an automobile car, anti-lock braking system, engine control system in an automobile. The preemption period of a hard real-time system is almost less than few microseconds. In case of a soft real-time, it is in milliseconds. And the third is firm real-time operating system. This type of real-time operating system has certain time constant which are not strict and it may cause undesired effect. Example of firm real-time operating system is automated visual inspection in industrial automation. The system examine and detect the defected part of assembly line. This type is also called event response system. Now let's see the need of real-time operating system in embedded software. The real-time operating system is a software that supplements computer hardware complexities. Almost all real-time operating systems provide threading, the illusion that processors can execute many tasks at the same time. The system software that offers primitive I/O and a little more than threading is referred to as a tiny kernel. Widely used commercial tiny kernels include white kernel and nucleus. Operating systems operate applications in processes, whereas the operating system monitor errors in processes, prevents the processes from destroying anything but themselves, and later recover smoothly once the process terminates explicitly. Terminates expectedly. Commonly used real-time operating systems, which include QNX, Linux OS, and OS 9. These are some commonly used real-time operating systems. Comparison between RTOS and GPOS. General purpose operating system and real-time operating system. Let's see one by one. The real-time operating system processes data typically without buffer delays, where general purpose operating system having random delays into application software and many cause slow responsiveness of an application at the unexpected times. RTOS is deterministic, GPOS is non-deterministic. RTOS is time sensitive, where GPOS is time insensitive. RTOS can't use virtual memory, GPOS uses virtual memory. RTOS detected to single work, where GPOS can used in a multi-user environment. RTOS is having low interrupt latency, where GPOS is having high interrupt latency. Let's summarize what we learned today. We learned what is RTOS, types of RTOS, need of RTOS in embedded software, difference between RTOS and GPOS.